You've probably written a Fibonacci function like this. It's classic, it's elegant, and it's painfully slow. But what if I told you one simple trick could make this 10,000x faster? Stick around, because you're about to learn a technique that will blow your mind, and it's called dynamic programming. Let's break this down. The recursive version looks simple, but there's a hidden trap. Every time you call it, it calls itself twice, then again and again. You end up repeating the same work exponentially. Here comes the game changer, memoization. Watch this. Now, every time we compute a result, we store it. So next time, we just look it up. Let's test it. If you prefer iteration, tabulation is your friend. We build up the results step by step, storing each value as we go. It's even more space efficient with optimization. Let's run all three side by side and see how fast they are. That's the power of dynamic programming. 10,000x faster. No exaggeration. Why should you care? Because dynamic programming shows up everywhere, from algorithm interviews to real-world systems like route planning, data compression, and bioinformatics. If you can master this trick, you're not just coding faster, you're thinking smarter. If this helped you out, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more developer power-ups. Code and resources are linked below. And let me know in the comments, should I do a full DP series next? Until next time, keep building smarter.